Hello everyone. I got this information from David Weiss's Flat Earth app today, but I believe it was Robot Polisher who first made the discovery, and I've been wanting to verify the information for a while now and make it easier for everyone else to understand. I will have a link to Robot Polisher's channel in the description, where you should definitely go and subscribe if you haven't already. As you probably already know, Robot Polisher was absolutely correct. As I will prove it here again, two different NASA missions claimed ownership of the same footage, making them liars. And the propagandists can't claim it's a simple mistake because both mission astronauts commented on the video as though they witnessed the event, and the second video was even altered slightly. Let's first watch the STS-32 mission, which launched on January 9th, 1990. I pulled the video from this channel, and the timestamp is there too in case you want to look it up yourself. I will fast forward to the footage at issue.
The most difficult part about a shuttle mission is getting a whole crew to...
I want to see rockets that big. You see some of the ice floating around as the external tank comes off after the fuel is expended. This is on orbit after 8.5 minutes. Again, from that same camera in the belly of the vehicle, kind of a unique view of the external tank going down. This is the one part of the whole system that is not recovered. It breaks up in the atmosphere and lands in the Pacific Ocean in our case.
Now, let's watch the footage from STS-78, which was launched on June 20th, 1996. And this is where I pulled the video from. I'll fast forward again to the footage in question.
Here we are suiting up at the Kennedy Space Center for our launch on June 20th.
Well, it was just absolutely fantastic to be in space and see this great piece of American technology come off the external tank. It was really difficult for Rick and I to focus on getting pictures of this because here we saw the Earth and land masses and the oceans floating beneath us. But the external tank just did a super job.
Now let's watch the two separate videos synced. Remember, these videos were supposedly filmed over 6 years apart. If you're really paying attention, you might notice that the two videos are almost identical, but not 100%. Yes, they most certainly use the same footage, but the one on the right includes a few more particles, and I don't think it's just the increased brightness. Which means they manipulated the footage further, which only proves that this was willful deception. I guess the liars at NASA were just a bit lazy this time. I grabbed a few stills to show you some of the slight differences. You might have to pause it to see the changes. The logic is simple. This is just one small example of a NASA lie, and I have many examples on my channel. If NASA lied about this, then we should assume NASA is lying about everything. Now, if we can only get Elon Musk to audit NASA. Yeah, right.
Willie.
Yeah.
What's that?
Well, it looks like a giant...
Johnson.